Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to disabling the reply features or reply tools on a story on Instagram. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application, and here is the looks when you open the Instagram. Sometimes you will be generated directly into the home section, but today we will visit our profile. Okay, by click this profile sections, and after that you just need to go into these three straight lines. And now you just need to click settings and privacy. On the settings and privacy, you just need to scrolling down until you found how others can interact with you sections. You can read here. Okay, if you already arrived in this section, you just need to go click messages and story replies. So to disabling a replies story on your Instagram account, you just need to go click story replies and just choose don't allow story replies, so that all of your followers, all of your friends will have no access to reply your stories. And after you're done, you just need to go back, and that's all the way how to disabling the reply features for your story on your Instagram account. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you today, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.